If your PS5 controller keeps moving left on its own, or the character keeps walking without touching the stick, that's stick drift. And here's how to fix it. First, turn off the controller and gently clean around the analog stick using a cotton swab with a little rubbing alcohol. Rotate the stick while cleaning to clear any dust or dirt inside. After that, go to your PS5 settings, open accessories, then controllers, and adjust the dead zone if the game supports it, because increasing the dead zone can stop the drift. You can also try resetting the controller by pressing the small button at the back with a pin for 5 seconds, then reconnect it. If you're playing on PC or PS5, make sure the controller firmware is updated by plugging it into the console and checking for updates. For stronger drift, you can use compressed air to blow inside the stick area, but do it gently. Avoid pressing too hard to prevent damage. If nothing works, the analog module might be worn out and needs replacement, which repair shop can handle. Most of the time, dust and calibrate are the problem, not the entire controller. So try these steps and your analog should stop drifting to the left. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.